You know, man, I just did all this rock and I come in over the weekend, fence fell down. And fence needs to be replaced. We can't just put it back up. It's in rough shape. Everything on this fence is in rough shape. I'm gonna replace it with 6-foot pickets instead of 8. Every plank's getting replaced, every 2x4 is getting replaced, and this one post is getting replaced because it's shaky, and I got concrete ready to mix and do all that. So 90 pickets in total, I think, if I counted right. All right, I think before I keep going, let's just get this out and get a new one in here. Okay, so I think if I just fill this all with concrete, we'll be good. I was just about to mix up the concrete for this, and then I came over here and noticed that this 4x4, when it gets to the top, is really bowed. That's gonna be an issue. Because I don't think that's gonna go back. And then also this one. I think I already showed that, but that one's really bad too. That really sucks because I only have one 4x4 over there, so I need to go get one. But I'm thinking, I'm gonna go ahead and take the faces, all these faces off. When I took those panels off, that thing straightened right out. I mean, it's pretty good. Okay, that's really good. This one's way worse though, so I hope that snaps back. Let's take this off. One ain't gonna work. It's still bowed out. So, time to get digging.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get in.
Good morning. It's very cold out. All right, I got my lovely assistant back. He's gonna finish studding up for me here. I'm gonna take these planks and start on that far wall over there. Okay, and then I have this little aluminum piece of metal that I found, flat bar. I think that's gonna be a good spacer. I'm gonna hand this over to my assistant. Screw that. Have fun, dude. I need to cut this board down, cut this down, and then replicate that door. Dang, I think it's time for a lunch break. There you go. Oh yeah. Okay, it's quitting time, so I'm quitting. I'm not going to keep doing it. Even though I'm really close. I got 2 pieces here and 2 pieces here. And then I have the hardware and the lock for this door. Other than that, I'm done. So I will see you guys tomorrow. The reason I swapped this out instead of using the old one is I can't find the key for it. So I put that up and I got to get a new lock. But other than that, it's done. There's a couple imperfections here and there, but generally speaking, it's pretty damn good. I was kind of worried about the gap. I thought that might look a little weird, but actually I think it looks great. And I'm glad I did that because a bunch of leaves and stuff, as you saw from that other video where I did all this gravel, a bunch of stuff accumulates back there. So now it can just blow away. I like it. So, all right. Here we go. Let's move on to the next thing.